Hello, Madam and Sir. My name is Diana Ibulala. My height is 148 and from Mindanao, Philippines. I'm a single mom and I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. I'm ex-abroad from Kuwait from 2022 and 2024. I'm my work experience there, cleaning in the house, cleaning in the garden, cleaning in the car, and ironing and washing in the clothes. And I'm willing to learn to cook in the Chinese food, and I'm sing a song in your child. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G. Thank you and God bless.